In this video, we're going to take a look at the basic operation of Metron RMS. Metron RMS is a simple inspection software that allows you to use a Gocator to create complex 3D measurements against CAD models. We can start by simply importing in our CAD object and then taking a scan with a Gocator and creating a 3D color map of our part. This process takes just a few seconds, and we're able to get a great insight into how our physical part deviates from the CAD model. Additionally, we can create even more complex measurements and automate this inspection process for inline inspection applications. To do this, we'll simply start with our CAD model, and then we can start taking points on our CAD object to define CAD primitive features. Similar to using a CMM probe, we can probe out the points that we want to create and then build our CAD primitives such as cylinders, planes, as well as additional features. These primitives serve as references for our scan boundaries, so we can start with these original CAD references and correlate that to any scan geometry that's being created with our Gocators quickly and efficiently. For this example, we'll just do some basic measurements with a few distance measurements, an angle measurement, and a radius measurement. Once these measurements have been created, we can change the tolerance for the various measurements that we are creating and then begin to run our inspection. Metron RMS is also capable of efficiently working with a touchscreen, as noted by the touchpad that pops up on screen, making this suitable for HMIs in an inline inspection process. Once we have finished creating all of the measurements that we want to generate for our part, we can simply turn on our inspections process and then allow our Gocator to start automatically inspecting our parts. As we can see, the Gocator can collect scan data, and then we will rapidly import that scan data, align our scan data to our CAD model, perform our inspection on our part, and then generate out a report, all in the matter of just a couple of seconds. So Metron RMS is extremely efficient in being able to very quickly create complex measurements based off of CAD geometry with our raw scan data being generated by a Gocator. Once we have collected all of our measurements, or in the process of collecting our measurements, we can look at this data in a variety of different ways. This information can be exported out in many different formats, such as a CSV file for raw data or PDF files for a nice visual preview of the information that we're creating.